Guys, today is Friday and today is 4th of July. We're going to maybe have some barbecue outside later, and today's gonna be really hot too. So we're in 90s. So hindi na ako bumili ng steak, so yung chicken na nandyan sa fridge, yun lang yung aking ima-marinate. And then excuse me. And then we have here the sausage. May bibili si Mr. ng mga pang-burger. So sorry guys, kakagising ko lang. So I hope it's gonna be a fun day. So then we're gonna stay in a swimming pool, and we're gonna wait for the fireworks too for tonight. And guys, gawa muna tayo yung kape.
Love you.
Love you, baby.
The thing is pretty nice.
Yeah. Gawa din tayo yung coffee ni Mr. So yan guys, magmamarinate na ako ng pang-ihaw. So meron tayo ditong chicken thigh, and then as usual yung ating Montreal steak seasoning. Yung seasoning na to, masarap din sa chicken. So yan din yung aking gagamitin. For that, I can have this. There you go. So I'm going to trim this.
For a long, long time, time goes by so fast. Baby, it ain't been long enough to forget how it began. When I saw you walking down my street, didn't even know your name, but I got a feeling inside of me, nothing's ever gonna be the same. Never gonna be the same. Minutes, hours, years and days, time goes by, but nothing's changed. I feel it that same way. Know me, baby, even better than I know myself. And I never see no reason for me to want nobody else. Now we've been through some changes, 'cause that's just what life does. But I don't pay no never mind, long as I got
So Hannah has a flag, and then she's gonna put that in a swimming pool. There you go. Happy 4th of July. Ng grocery si Mr. Yung ating burger bun, kasi gagawa tayo ng burger. And then meron tayo ditong corn, lettuce, mga chips. Oh, you guys have strawberry.
Yeah, she wanted to mix the strawberries and the blueberries with the whipped cream, so that we have red, white, and blue.
And then so yeah, my sunscreen. And then blueberry, strawberry, cheese for burger. That's the burger patty. And then what we have here? Ooh, popsicles. Nice. Sorbet. Then meron tayong charcoal. Ayan. And then ano to? Oh, paper plate. Alright. Hi guys! It's barbecue time! So ayan, yung ating barbecue grill. I mean, this is not really like a barbecue grill, but this is for our bonfire. And I love using this. So we have this for, I think, more than a year now. Guys, ready na yung ating pang barbecue. Yan, pang grill natin dyan. Meron na tayong apoy dito.
Listen. Let's see what happens.
Ang taas ng ating sunflower dyan. So lahat sila may bulaklak na. Guys, ayan, may basket na naman tayong dala-dala dito. Kasi nakita ko yung mga kamatis may crack na. So kailangan ko siyang tanggalin. Ayan. Okay naman tong pamimitas natin ba. Si Hana, ayan, busy. Tanghaling tapat, guys. Sobrang init. So, ayan, tignan mo yung ating sili. Ano siyang bunga. Tanggalin natin itong ating zucchini. Yan. Carrot. Yan. First talong natin, guys. Guys, yung ating kalya lily namulaklak ulit. So pangalawang beses niya na tong mamulaklak. So yung next natin na gagawing tea ito, yung calendula. Yan. Marami tayo niyan dyan kasi last year ito yung maraming bulaklak dito. So kumalat siya and tumubo ulit. Yung ating kamatis kailangan na lagyan ito ng tali ba? Kasi parang namumulak na. Okay, yan. Yung init, guys. Alauna na pala ng hapon. Tanghali na kasi kami nagising kanina. Kaya Kit. Hannah, you have a ladybug in your head. Come here.
Really?
No. My ladybug.
Can I see?
Oh, sure.
It's poisonous!
It's cute.
Get up on here!
Oh, let's go down. There you go. Go there. Oops. There you go. Ang mga manok na to, talaga naman, laging sinisira yung ating maliit na. Hirap niya kasing tumayo dito, guys. Oh. Tapos ba naman, ano ito? Bato yung ilalim, kaya hindi siya masyadong stable. Ito ba? Naaabot pa rin yung dahon. So, yan yung ating blackberries, guys. Ang dami nilang bunga. So, yan yung roses na tinanim ko last time. Yung galing sa baba. Buhay na siya. Akan ko yung dito. Check natin. Okay naman siya. Update natin yung ating pumpkin dito. Wala pa rin nabubuo. Diba? Ang hirap niya makabuo. So, ito pala yung ating mulberry, guys. Na nilipat ko. Dito sa likod. Punta na. Kasi ba naman ang init. Check natin baka meron tayong pakita nabuo. Hindi tayo makabuo ng pumpkin ba? Oops, may nakita ako. Yan guys, may nakita akong bunga. Yan. Finally. There. Hindi ko na alam kung anong mga klaseng pumpkin ito kasi naghalo-halo na. Kalimutan ko na. Yan, tapos may isa pa dun. Sana mabuo siya. So yung mga bunnies, meron silang bahay kaso gustong-gusto nilang tumira dito sa dingding. Ayan. Gustong-gusto nila dito. Tingnan mo yung bahay nila guys. Oh, walang dumi. Walang pupo. Ayan, yung pagkain nila dun ko lang nilalagay. Kasi pag nilagay mo sa lagayan, taong-taong siya. So, yung basketball nila. So, ito yung likod ng ating garahe, guys. Mga nakatambak dyan, gagamitin pa yan. 3, 2, 1.
Watch this one. Get closer. I'm not gonna splash it. 3, 2, 1.
Hannah is making a wave. Parang naman tayo nasa dagat nito. So si Mr. naglagay na ng chlorine sa filter kasi ano na, yung ilalim ng swimming pool parang madulas-dulas na. So may nag-i-start na siya lumot. Napagod. Nagmumow si Mr. Mga grasses. Wow! See? I told you. You did a good job. That's all we're gonna do. So, breathe.